My name is Anne Julien, and I am on my way to New France with several other young girls. The majority of my shipmates were born, like me, in the Paris area, and were under the age of 25 years old. Most of us are orphans and do not know how to read or write. But we are in good health and not afraid of working. Our good king sends us to the colony to get married. That's why we are called the king's daughters. The king has paid for our transport and has even offered us a dowry. What is a dowry? It is an amount of money given as a wedding gift. When we arrive in Quebec between 1663 and 1673, the nuns will take care of us until we get married. They are supposedly a lot of unmarried men in New France, so I will have plenty to choose from. Jean Talon, the attendant of New France, hopes that these marriages will increase the number of families and children. The boys who are in New France will need to marry before the age of 21, and us girls before the age of 17. Unmarried men even lose their right to trade if they do not choose one of us to marry within 15 days of our arrival. Oh, here I am, 1 year later, and yes, I am married to the brave Nicolas Croquette. He is a retired soldier who became a farmer. I know, the work will be hard, but I think I made the right decision to stay in New France and have a big family. The king promised 300 to 400 pounds to families who have more than 10 children. Me and my husband, Mr. Nicolas Croquette, we are established in the Seigneurie, and we finished the construction of our first house. Our first son will soon be born, and yes, we, the king daughters, came between 1663 and 1673, and we really helped the colony to triple its population. In fact, we are known as the mothers of the Quebec nation.